Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue to learn about NotebookLM, and recently two new features are added. One is infographics and another one is slide deck. Previously we have already discussed about the infographics. Now we'll see how we'll generate a slide deck. How we'll customize it also we'll see. What are the languages you can use, you want a starter version or a default version, or it is a presenter slide or a slide deck where you in depth you want for our own study or send it to someone to study, and how we will customize also the background, the color, the style, that also we will see and learn more about this. At Google, just search for NotebookLM, you will be coming here, and here you can just visit the NotebookLM. So, where you will get the entry screen and the try NotebookLM. But before that, you please log into your Google account. Your Gmail account is your Google account. Just log in there and then try NotebookLM. So, all your previous notebooks, if you have created any, will be loaded here. So, I have already created one. Let's just try here. The first one we will see how we will customize it. What I have done is, I have just, here is one I have created. So, inside that now left side is my sources, I can collapse it also, expand it. Then here I can chart with my source, and right side is the studio panel where all the tools are available. I can just collapse this also and work on this central panel. Now here as a source I have given many different sources. I can add the sources, but here it is not showing because I have already added 50 sources. So it is not allowing me to add any source unless I delete something. So here something is not there, error trying again. So let me remove this and show you, remove the source, delete. Now similarly one more I will remove it, remove the source. So delete it now. Probably let's see, no, it because I have tried already the 50 sources, so it's not allowing me. What happened, the add sources will be there. There I have pasted 50 URLs from my blog post. So it is on the NumPy. So NumPy is the Python library. Based on that I have added this. So this is the all the summary of the whatever the sources I have. We are now interested in these two. So already we have discussed about infographics. Now let's come here to the our slide deck. First let's customize this. So in the customization screen you will see that there is a language option, given what language I want. Many around 80 languages are supported, I can go for it. And here two things are there, detail deck or the presenter side. Detail deck is where I can a comprehensive deck which will give you a full text examples and graphics, so I can read it for myself or I send it to somewhere for that. But when I am presenting it, when I have my control over the subject, I just want the points here, I can go for presenter slides, and here below that also I can give a length as a default or short. So if I am going for a presenter slides, I prefer based on the topic and thing, I prefer the short one. Now here I can use it, use white background. So I have specified the background here. And what more thing is, I can, if I have an image and all, so I can upload it the image and tell him that use that image as a footer image. So what happens, every slide will have a footer message. Say the author's name should appear in the all the slides. That's we can do. We'll see it what we have prepared already. Now what I can do is I will click generate. So here you can see the deck will be generated here. Here just watch it, this is another topic. So I have this is on the SQLite database. Here also I have given around less than 50 of course, and here you can see the top 2 JPG. This JPG image I have already added. If I want, I can add more sources also, go for websites, and here I have pasted the links what I am using as sources. So right now I have already given my all my SQLite database link, so I am nothing more to give. So I am closing this. Now here I have customized it now and created, these are the already the slide decks whatever I have already prepared. So let's just see that. So in this, let the deck will be loaded here. This is in this deck I have given a, here are my prompt, use top 2 JPG as footer image at the right side all pages instead of notebook. Okay, I have given a customize the in the prompt I have given it use. So that is why you will see everywhere I am giving using +2net, and this particular image I have also uploaded here in the left side. Sorry, my okay, you can see it, this is I have uploaded, and right side I can expand this also. Here is my expanded deck. So here I am here, now I am at the first slide, now I will go to the second slide. Here it is easy because I have not used the shorter version, so it is giving me the full deck. So all the pages I can, suppose I am explaining to others or I am reading for my own purpose, I can use this. Here is my presenter mode. So whatever I have created, one more. Now let me just go full screen. So I will expand this. Here it is. So this is as a presenter mode, not as a in-depth. So whatever the customization we have seen, that what I have changed it. Now you can see page by page, I can show this. So what are the main about the SQLite database it is. So I can show this page by page, how we can transfer, then I connection, because these are all based on my source, what I have uploaded. Finally, I want to download this and use it. So I can click here, download button is there, or here I have a slideshow also. In the download, if I download it, it will download as a PDF file. So you can see here that it's downloading as a saved as in a local system as a PDF file. So here it is. So all the slide decks I can present it, or I can slideshow as a full screen it will come. So escape, I can press it and come out of it. Now I am page down. So sorry, I have to click it. So here it is, all the slides I can browse. So it is in a presentation, whatever the customization we have discussed, that is based on that this particular one is created. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any doubt, suggestion, idea, questions, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.